garden. Lucy was a little girl who loved plants and flowers. One sunny morning, her teacher, Miss Sarah, took the class to the school garden. Today, we will learn about plants and how they grow, Miss Sarah said. Lucy was very excited. Miss Sarah showed the children a small seed. This is a seed, she said. When we plant it in the soil, it will grow into a big plant. Lucy watched carefully as Miss Sarah planted the seed in the ground. Look, Miss Sarah said. Now we water it. Lucy and her friends took turns watering the plant. Water helps the plant grow, Miss Sarah explained. Lucy poured the water gently. I'm helping the plant, she said happily. The children learned how plants need sun, water, and good soil to grow. Lucy loved seeing the garden and learning about plants. I want to grow my own garden at home, she said. Miss Sarah smiled and said, That's a great idea, Lucy. At the end of the day, Lucy told her parents all about the garden. She felt happy and proud of the new things she learned.